in Lago Radio Sunny South 97.0 FM. The hit is on. Domzwa right now. Ulusanda Spiritual Group. It's the abanye bayawela. Usakhona guest yam la studio. Mthwane wabazinyo. You say right?
Yes, right.
Okay. Yazi vele ngahlala kakhulu phezulu komcimbi. Kakhohle ukuthi ubani uHloni kahle kahle. Mangaba sikhuluma ngoHloni wabazinya ubani omunye umuntu uthi mina angimazi mina ibo into engisho. So umthatha umbeke umuntu.
All right. Ngithatha nje ngibabeka abalaleli ngokuphuthuma. nguHloni wabazinya. Originally I'm from Mkhomali. Ngike ngahlala kakhulu la ePortchester I think 4 years back and ngike ngasebenza lakhona la ekhaya ngisakaza. Bayakhumbula abalaleli I once did i-breakfast show ngaphinde ngenza futhi ne-drive. Ngikhonza Jesus Evangelistic Fellowship. I'm the first daughter kubaba umfundisi uZinya nomama umfundisi uZinya. So either Congress is a company ehlanganisile sihlanganisa nomunye umfundisi umchunu. So sayihlanganisa ndawonye and we combined ama visions wethu la khona ke sesiyaqhubeka siqhuba umsebenzi kaNkulunkulu. I am the founder of Women of Purpose Ministries. It's a traveling ministry as planned Nkosiyami siyafika sihostwe ibandla and then we empower and then we go. So Women of Purpose Ministries iqale 6 years ago. Nje kade ngisho nje emsakazo ukuthi then this year ila khona sesifaka ne-Men of Purpose ngoba if impilo yakho ingena purpose then awukhona ukufinyelela la fanele ufike khona and futhi if ungazi ukuthi iyona iphi i-purpose yakho uyabona. So ngingabeka ngithi impact esiyenzayo ukuthi sishiye abantu berealize ukuthi bangobani and bayaphi because noma ngathiwa unemali unani but if you don't understand yourself and you don't know where you are going and you don't know your source then usenkingeni.
Ngokhuluma ngopastor Mthwane engimaziyo all the way from Oshabeni now.
Yes,
exactly. Okay, no, ngiyamazi. Okay, nizwileke balalele ukuthi no ukwaba khona la emva kombobo ukuthi ukwaba khona la ekhaya all the way from Mkhomazi kuyiphi ndawo eMandawu? No.
Yes, useMandawu.
UseMandawu kuhlala. Wathi ngiyapredict ukuthi ngiyasho ukuthi